Hello everyone, I am Anuja Sharvastav and today I am going to start the next chapter in class 6 biology, and the name of this chapter is respiratory system. So as from the name it is just clear to you that this chapter is completely related with the respiration, how respiration takes place in our body, types of respiration and whatever the diseases which occurs due to the respiratory problems. So just start the topic respiration. Now, in previous chapter, you were already studied about the digestive system, that the food is digested in our body and all the complex compounds are broken down into the simpler compounds and that are stored in our body and they provide us energy. So, how the energy is provided to our complete body cells, that is also related with the respiration. So, let us understand what is the term respiration. So when someone is going to discuss about the term respiration, so most of the students, those who are not knowing properly, they are just giving the answer that the intake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide from the body is the respiration. But that is not the respiration. That process is known as the breathing. That means the breathing and respiration, these both are the different terms. In breathing, what happens? Intake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide from the body. And what happened in the respiration? Respiration, it is the process by which food, which is glucose molecule, is broken down in the body to release energy. That means जो भी glucose हमारी body में collect हुआ है, that glucose is broken down and provide the energy. So that process is known as the respiration and this process happens in the cells. So let us understand what is the respiration. The process by which food, in bracket you can write glucose molecule is broken down in body cells to release energy. Okay, and these energies are stored in our body in the special molecules which are known as ATP. That means adenosine triphosphate. So that means the energy is stored in the form of ATP, and the full form ATP is adenosine triphosphate, which is also known as energy currency of the cell. ATP is also known as energy currency of the cell. So I hope you must know, you all are not knowing about the respiration. Now let's see the types of respiration. So basically the respiration, it is of two types. One is aerobic and another is anaerobic. Aerobic respiration. So what is aerobic respiration? That means the respiration which occurs in the presence of oxygen. That means when the glucose is broken down in our body cells in the presence of oxygen. So when the glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen, this respiration is known as the aerobic respiration, and in this type of respiration the huge amount of energy is released. Now when the process of respiration is started, it is started in the cytoplasm of the cell. ये कहाँ start होता है? साइटोप्लाज्म में होता है, लेकिन इसकी most of the process होती है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के अंदर. So let's see what is the reaction. ग्लूकोज प्लस किसकी प्रेजेंस में हो रहा है? ऑक्सीजन. Then what it is going to release? It is going to release carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. And the energy which is released by the aerobic respiration, it is very huge amount, 38 ATP, and you can also write more energy. Okay, that means glucose, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, energy more amount में निकलती है. And this type of respiration, इसमें हम word form में लिखते हैं, these are known as the word reaction. Now let us see the another type of respiration, anaerobic. Anaerobic respiration, that means the respiration which occurs in the absence of oxygen. Now अब absence of oxygen में हो रही है, so this absence of oxygen, it can be in the two form. एक होती है हमारी muscle cells में, in our muscle cells, और होती है एक होती है ईस्ट के अंदर, ईस्ट सेल्स. ओके, सो ईस्ट सेल्स में इट इज कंप्लीटली एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. और कैसे होगी? अगेन ग्लूकोज है, ऑक्सीजन है ही नहीं, एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन है, तो ग्लूकोज क्या होगा? डायरेक्टली ब्रेक डाउन होगा. और जब ग्लूकोज डायरेक्टली ब्रेक डाउन होगा तो ये बनाएगा इथेनॉल. ठीक है, दैट मीन इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ एल्कोहल. इथेनॉल बनाएगा प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज करेगा एंड लेस एनर्जी. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड है इन आवर मसल सेल्स. नाउ मसल सेल्स में कैसे होने लगी? दिस इज अकर्स व्हेन आवर बॉडी इज डूइंग अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. जब हमारी बॉडी बहुत एक्सरसाइज करती है, इट डूइंग द विगरस वर्क, सो व्हाट हैपेंड, द डिमांड ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज मोर. हमारी बॉडी को ऑक्सीजन की डिमांड क्या होती है? ज़्यादा होती है, बट द सप्लाई ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज लिमिटेड. सप्लाई तो लिमिटेड, ऐसा तो नहीं कि सप्लाई बहुत ज़्यादा होने लगेगी. एट दैट टाइम क्या होता है कि हमारी मसल सेल्स में रिस्पिरेशन होने लगता है, और तब वहाँ पर फॉर्मेशन होता है लैक्टिक एसिड का. दैट मीन्स क्या होगा यहाँ पर? ग्लूकोज is broken down into lactic acid plus energy. ओके, सो जब लैक्टिक एसिड और एनर्जी जो है यहाँ पर, ये भी एनर्जी लेस होगी. और दिस लैक्टिक एसिड इट कॉजेज पेन इन आवर मसल. इसीलिए जब हम ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं तो क्या होता है? इट कॉजेज पेन इन आवर मसल. So I hope you all are understand whatever I had taught you. I had taught you about the respiration and the types of respiration, in which I had teach you about the aerobic, that means in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic in the absence of oxygen. And in anaerobic, one in the yeast cell and one in our muscle cell. So this is all about the today's video. Rest of the topic I will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.